Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking Gravely zero-turn lawnmowers, and in a previous video, which is scrolling above right now, we installed a striper kit. And in today's video, we're going to put it to the test the very first time. All right, DIYers, outside now, and in front of us is the Gravely ProTurn ZX60, and it's a nice windy afternoon. And we are waiting for the Gravely girl to arrive, and we are going to put this striper kit to the test. We will see how it works. We're excited.